I have great news for you, and you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can apply for a $50,000 grant. Yes, so do you need money? If the answer to this question is yes, just keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Yes, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can apply for a $50,000 grant. Yes, so if this strikes like something you're interested in, don't even touch the dial. So if you're new here, if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, just go ahead and introduce yourselves. Yes, I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you in the world that you're watching from. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys, kilo shele gongon no kilo de gon. Thank you for the love that you guys have shown to me on this channel. I really appreciate every single one of you from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And if you're a returning subscriber, kilo shele gongon. Thank you. I see every single one of you. Yes, and some of my Patreon members, you guys are the best. Kilo day. As in, I don't know what I've done to deserve you guys. Your love is just massive. Thank you. If you want to join my Patreon membership, you're invited to join my membership. To join my membership community, you can find the link in the description as well as in the comment. If you join my membership, do you know that you can book a free consultation with me? We can discuss all things business, money, grants, and everything in between. Yes, so if this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep on it. Yes, so my Patreon members, you guys already know that I got you. Yes, so you guys, hey. Okay, without further ado, let's just get right into it. How to apply for this $50,000 grant. So guys, come with me, let's go. So just so you know, when I bring up grants on this channel, I mean free money that you don't have to pay back. Unlike loans that you have to pay back with interest in most cases, for grants, you're not paying back. Oh, this is a grant. This is a $50,000 grant. So guys, the community grants program can actually support a wide range of organizational needs. A non-profit is eligible to apply if it serves the greater Edmonton area, including Leduc County, Parkland County, Strathcona County, and Torregium County. If you don't have a recent relationship with them, that is, if you have not successfully received a grant before from them in the last 5 years, your organization can actually apply for a grant up to $40,000 grant. Yes, and if you've worked with them recently, if you've received a grant from them before, you can actually receive another $80,000. Yes, so community grants, whether big or small, your organization's needs are very, very important, and their community grants program can help you. Now, ECF Community Grants Program provides funding to help you with a variety of organizational needs. Their support is specific to your organizational needs, and they look forward to your organization, and they look to organizations to determine their priority areas, and this can include innovations, renovations, equipment, purchases, program support, and so much more. 2024 and 2025 guidelines are going to be available on their website, and you can learn more about the community grants program right there. Now, their community grants recipients are actually diverse, and their projects as well. You can go ahead and also check out their successful recipients on their websites or through the Well Endowed podcast. And here is the eligibility criteria. Community grants actually aim to support their local community, and to be eligible for a community grant, your organization must be both a registered charity with Canada Revenue Agency or any other qualified donee. Yes, so I must serve the greater Edmonton area, which includes the 4 surrounding counties. Applying for a community grant, ECF uses a 2-stage application process for all community grants applications. Applicants are asked to submit stage 1. Yes, so application during the months that it's open. Staff will review all the submitted applications after the deadline. So after stage 1, they are able to request a stage 2 application, which includes additional clarifying questions and will be reviewed by the volunteer subcommittees. Now, if the organization has not received the community grants in the last 5 years, you are eligible to apply for up to $50,000. If you've received in the last 5 years, you are also eligible to apply to receive up to $80,000. Guys, as always, please head over to the link in my description and start to apply for these grants as quickly as possible. Please note that applying for grants, one grant is not a guarantee that you get grants. Applying for grants is not even a guarantee that you get the grants. However, when you apply for multiple grants, then you stand a chance to win a grant, and that's what I'm trying to let you guys know on this channel. Some people actually apply for just one grant, they cross their legs and they say, oh, it's a scam. No, it is not a scam. The way you've applied is the same way other people have applied. Plenty of other people have applied. They have to sort through the piles of applications and see which one actually has a convincing or compelling story or a reason why they should actually give you grants that actually applications that suits their own specific their values. So go ahead and apply for multiple grants so that you stand a chance to win grants, and you will stop complaining that you have never won a grant before. And that's how I won my first grants too. If you missed the story, let me just repeat the story here. Now, when I won my first grant, I wasn't even expecting it. I just applied. I was applying for grants at the time, and then I had this journal. I remember I was in grad school. yeah, and I had this journal that I was just, writing down all the grants that I was applying for at the time, so when I won the grants, I actually went to the mail room the other day, and then it was in the afternoon. I got the mail I went to pick up my mails from the mail room, and I saw a check in my name, and I'm like, okay, I don't understand. So by the time I opened it, I even thought it was my husband that surprised me. I don't know. So I was like, okay, what's going on here? And then I checked, it was NBAF, yes, National Black Artist Fund. Yes, they sent me my very first grant. They gave me my very first grant, and they sent a check to my address. So yes, they can actually send a check to the address, and they can credit you. That's another grant that I won. I just got credited into my bank account like automatically, because while I was applying, they requested all the bank details. I just put in my bank details, my name, account number, and everything, and I was credited. So yes, grants are real. They're actually here to help you alleviate those issues of not being able to carry out the projects or your dreams, bringing your dreams to life. So that's why the grants are here, and grants are actually funded by governments, agencies, private organizations, non-profit organizations too. They give out grants. We have private individuals that give out grants and what have you. There are lots and lots of grants out there, but I'm here to also always help you out with the research. I'm going to be doing the research for you guys, so I've got you guys covered. Make sure that you join the family in case you have not joined this family. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about this amazing opportunity. And just so you know, if this grant is not your cup of tea, if you're from any part of the world, I have grants for you. I have worldwide grants on this channel. I have Canada grants like this one on this channel. I have USA grants, and I have African grants. Yeah, so if you're from Africa, any country in Africa, I've got you guys covered. I have grants for people in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Botswana, South Africa, everywhere in Africa. You can apply for grants on my channel. Guys, what are you waiting for? It's your girl Mariah, and of course, I'm here working for you guys day and night. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments bar for me. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Yes, leave your question in the question bar for me. I'm happy to respond to you guys. Yes, and to all of you who have joined my Patreon community, I want to say big thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your massive love and support. I don't even know what I've done to deserve your love, but I want to say big thank you once again. If you want to be part of the Patreon community, you're invited to join my Patreon community. Find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community is that you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things money, business, grants, and everything in between. We can even talk about scholarships and everything that you want us to discuss. Yes, and as a Patreon member, you can book a free consultation with me as many times as you want, and you can cancel anytime. There are no obligations. Here it's us, Soft Life Gang. Yeah, so we are here to secure the bag. I'm here to help you, find ways to actually make money, secure the bag this year. If your friends are missing out on this channel, please forward my videos to them. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Feel free to ask your questions in the question bar in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. I'm working hard for you guys day and night. I'm your girl Mariam. In case someone has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. Today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing. And if anyone is doubting how far you can go, sorry about that. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, just leave them behind. Go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Keep winning and keep shining. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. Love you.